Are you looking for the top 5 best carry-on travel backpacks? Which carry-on travel backpack is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Luggage 40L Travel Backpack. First up, we have the Luggage 40L Travel Backpack. Priced at just $37.98, it caught my eye with its airline-approved design and organizational features. If you want a spacious and well-organized backpack for your travels, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Luggage backpack fits perfectly under your seat or in the overhead bin, which is a huge deal for budget airlines. At 18 by 14 by 8 inches, it's designed to prevent any hassle during boarding. And with a 40L capacity and multiple compartments, it allows you to pack for 3 to 7 days seamlessly. Plus, it includes 3 packing cubes and a wet pocket, perfect for keeping dirty items separate. The tear-resistant and water-resistant materials ensure that your belongings stay safe from the elements. The fact that over 2,000 people bought this in the last month shows its popularity. Now, some people complained about the shoulder straps not being padded enough. Here's the thing though, if you're just using it for short trips, it's not a deal breaker. But if you're planning a long trek, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent flyer looking for a stylish, functional backpack. Skip this one if you need extra padding for long-distance carrying. For the Product number 2, TomTalk Travel Backpack. Next up is the TomTalk Travel Backpack, priced at $78.99. I was drawn to its eco-friendly materials and spacious design. If you're after a backpack that blends sustainability with functionality, you should definitely check this one out. The TomTalk backpack features a large main compartment and a separate padded laptop section that fits up to a 17.3-inch device. This means you can easily pack your tech without fear of damage. It's TSA-friendly, opening 90 degrees to 180 degrees for quick security scanning, something you definitely want when rushing through airports. The recycled fabric is not just good for the planet, it's tough and durable too. The adjustable straps and back panel provide comfort, making it ideal for all-day wear. With a capacity of around 40L, it really meets your packing needs without feeling bulky. Now, some reviews mention that the zippers could be sturdier, but honestly, as long as you're not overstuffing it, they hold up well for regular use. This is perfect for anyone who values eco-friendly products and needs a reliable travel companion. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. Overall, it offers great value for its quality and features. Alright, that was a solid option.
Product number 3, Easy Ola Travel Backpack. Now let's talk about the Easy Ola Travel Backpack, which is priced at a wallet-friendly $21.59. This caught my attention with its compact size and organizational features. If you need a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on utility, this is worth a look. The Easy Ola backpack fits nicely under the seat and meets airline requirements, which means no more worrying about oversized bags. At 16.9 by 11.4 by 7.5 inches and a capacity of 24L, it's perfect for a quick trip, allowing you to pack essentials without overloading. The multiple pockets, including a separate laptop compartment, keep everything organized and easily accessible. Plus, it comes with a waterproof shoe bag and an anti-theft pocket, small details that make a big difference. However, some users mention that it feels a bit flimsy compared to pricier options. Here's the thing though, at this price, it's hard to beat the value for casual travelers who don't need a heavyweight backpack. This is perfect for casual travelers or students needing a stylish yet functional bag. Skip this one if you require a very durable option for heavy use. For its price, it's surprisingly capable. Now, if the Easy Ola's durability has you worried, this next backpack might just address that.
Product number 4, Geary Carry-On Backpack. Next is the Geary Carry-On Backpack, priced at $28.99. I was impressed by its expandable design and organizational features. If you often find yourself needing extra space, this one deserves your attention. The Geary backpack offers a maximum capacity of 50 liters, which is fantastic for longer trips without the hassle of extra luggage. It's designed to fit under seats and in overhead compartments, making it convenient for air travel. The lay-flat laptop section speeds up TSA checks, while the smart organization keeps your gear tidy. It also has a bottom shoe compartment, ensuring your clean clothes stay separate from dirty items. The material is water repellent, adding an extra layer of protection.
However, some users expressed concerns about the size being too large for carry-on regulations. Here's the thing though, if you're organized and know how to pack efficiently, it works just fine. This is ideal for travelers who need maximum space without sacrificing organization. Skip this if you prefer something more compact. For its price, it's a great balance of functionality and capacity. Product number 5, Arkurth Carry-On Travel Backpack. Finally, let's look at the Arkurth Carry-On Travel Backpack, retailing for $44.99. I appreciated its stylish design and expandable feature. If you want something that can transition from a backpack to a suitcase-style bag, you should definitely consider this. The Arkurth backpack expands by 2 inches, giving you more storage when you need it. It fits a 17.3-inch laptop and has a TSA-friendly design that opens 180 degrees for easy airport checks. The quality of materials used is impressive, providing durability for frequent travelers. Plus, the private pocket on the back is perfect for storing essentials like passports securely. It's a versatile option for both business and leisure travelers. Some reviews mention the lack of internal organizational pockets, but honestly, if you're used to packing light, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for travelers who appreciate flexibility in packing. Skip this if you prefer. So, to wrap it up, we covered 5 solid carry-on travel backpacks. The Lovebook is great for organization, TomTalk brings sustainability, Easywola offers budget-friendly utility, Geary maximizes space, and Arkurth is perfect for flexibility. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your travel style.